It's summer and I'm finna get these lashes together with the best cluster lash system that I've come across, and that's Lashify. We're taking all the vacations, doing all the things. We're out on the patio, we're at the brunches, and this makes getting ready so easy. And for some reason in the summer, well, for many reasons in the summer, I just drag it in the morning trying to get to my 9 to 5. And of course, I'd rather be living an alternate version of my life. But since that's not the case, this is one less thing I have to do in the morning. As you can see, these cluster lashes are so easy to manipulate. The glue is very gentle on the lashes. I have very sensitive eyes, so the individual lashes do not work for me. I've tried so many different sensitive glues for those individual lashes, and nothing works. It burns my eyes so bad. It's like having ghost pepper juice in my eye. Child, getting my lashes done was going over troubled waters and climbing up the rough side of the mountain. So, this is what I turned to. Cluster Lash Glue from Lashify works perfectly for me and my sensitive eyes, and I love that for me. My lashes are very thin, so these clusters are super light. They are whisper light. The band in which the individual lashes are attached to is so thin, I do not feel them. They are super comfortable. I absolutely love these lashes. I use the bold and the plush lashes to achieve my everyday cute girl look. But when I want a more bolder glam, I choose lengths from the Amplify or the Extreme line. This is the finished look. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Bye!